Good afternoon, students. Welcome to our online classes. Today our topic is the second phase of revolutionary movements. In our previous class, we discussed about the first phase of revolutionary movements. In this session, we discussed about the two major associations in the second phase of revolutionary associations. The first one is HRA. HRA stands Hindustan Republican Association. It was founded in the year 1924, founded by the famous personality Chandrasekhar Azad. So I think you know about Chandrasekhar Azad. So in next year in 1925, another famous personality was joined in the HRA. The name is Bhagat Singh. I think you very well known about Bhagat Singh. So Bhagat Singh, after the joining of Bhagat Singh, the HRA name was changed as the HSRA. HSRA stands Hindustan Socialist Republican Association. The socialist term Bhagat Singh was taken from the Russian Revolution. He was very inspired by the Russian Revolution, and he was introduced to the socialist type of economic activities in India. That's why the name HRA was changed as the HSRA. So in this HSRA activities, the first activity is the Kokkari conspiracy case. What is this? The Kokkari conspiracy case was the plan for the loot or robbery of a train towards the Kokkari. So in this operation, there were Ram Prasad Bismil and Rajendra Lahari, Roshan Singh, Ashfaqullah Khan and Sachindra Sanyal was planned for the loot of a train, but unfortunately the information was leaked to the British government, and they are arrested all the people and hanged all the people except Sachindra Sanyal. Sachindra Sanyal was impressed unto the death. That's the first activity of HSRA was failed. After that, in 1928, they taken another action. So in this operation, they planned for the kill to the Sanders, or the ASP policeman, Assistant Superintendent of Police Sanders. So why this Sanders was planned for the kill? So Sanders was the cause for the death of Lala Lajpati Rai. So in the Simon Go Back movement, Lala Lajpati Rai was seriously injured and dead with the lathi charge of Sanders. That's why the HSRA target to the Sanders. In this operation, the Chandrasekhar Azad successfully killed Sanders and escaped also. So that's why the second operation or 1928 Sanders murder operation was successfully completed by HSRA. So after that, the Bhagat Singh planned to throw the bombs on Central Legislative Assembly. The Central Legislative Assembly also present like our Parliament. So on 8th April 1929, Bhagat Singh and along with Bhutukeshwar Dutt, they throw the bombs and some of pamphlets to the Central Legislative Assembly. After that, they are not planned for the escape. They voluntarily arrested and the slogans Inquilab Zindabad. So that they are arrested. After that, they hanged on 23rd March 1931 in the case of Sanders murder, not for the Central Legislative Assembly. So on the 23rd March 1931, Bhagat Singh and Rajguru and Sukhdev, the three people are hanged by the British government. So after that, remaining all are killed by the British government except Chandrasekhar Azad. So Chandrasekhar Azad, one fine morning on 1931 February 27, Alfred Park. So he was Alfred Park, and the park was attacked by the British soldiers. They seriously target, and after that Chandrasekhar Azad was killed himself with his rifle. So that's why the HSRA people was killed and the association was destroyed. So after that, we discussed about another famous personality in Bengal. So the name is Surya Sen. So Surya Sen also a famous revolutionary activist in the second phase. So Surya Sen was a Bengal teacher. So he was, after that he was in 1930 he started a association. The name is Indian Republican Army. So Indian Republican Army, IRA, was started by Surya Sen. So his activities was Chittagong Weapons Factory. He attacked the Chittagong Weapon Factory and captured the weapons to to fight against the British people. So after that, in 1933, he was arrested and hanged by the British officials. Thus the second phase of revolutionary activities was successfully completed. They inspired Indians towards the national movement activities. Students, I think you understand some of these little bit class, and you better to study another along with these books and our class book, second BA book. And also I am share the information of these famous books, that is the Tata McGraw-Hill book and Unipublication book. I will share the information little bit from these books and other books also. So please read and watch the links and videos from my side. So, and the final advice, please stay home to stop Corona. Thank you.